Very good morning, guys. Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. And why am I in a uniform? I am finished with my simulator training, and I've successfully completed it. Me and my sim partner Anushka. People who are not on Instagram, people on Instagram must have already seen the picture. I've just come back home, and it is almost 3:30 now in the afternoon. And अभी तक लंच नहीं हुआ, बहुत भूख लग रही है. Finally, इतने दिनों का training, all the jazz is over. Complete month of September I've been busy in my simulator training, and finally आज 28th of September it is completed, and I have passed all the checks. And the next अभी भी training बाकी है, don't get me wrong on that. अभी it will take another 2 months to be completely released as a captain. The first phase of it, or the most toughest phase, where I get used to flying from the left seat and all the training imparted from the left seat, all that is done. So the next training will happen on the aircraft. It will happen with passengers. I'll be flying from the captain seat, and that will start sometime soon. Now that this is over, that will start. That process will take about 2 months more. But definitely, by far the toughest thing was what I've just finished right now. That is over. So it went really well, the training. And अभी सच बोलो तो मेरे को I have no energy to vlog. यार भूख लग रही है. सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं खाया because वही टेंशन था. Yesterday and today for the checks, we have 2 checks. Previous all days पे training था. And yesterday I was more tense than what I was today, because obviously. And our training was done by a new captain. He was earlier flying with Jet Airways, and he's recently joined our company. So in fact, I and my sim partner Anushka, we were the first people to get checked under him in our company. And because we didn't know much about him, so we didn't know what kind of question routine he would ask. So uske wajah se we were a little more tensed. So yesterday that happened. We understood his way of understanding, his way of thinking, and today was, again, sims happened very well for both of us. We did really well. And abhi I will start the vlog in the later evening. Srujan aane ke baad we will vlog. And videos nahi the ek hafte se. I was very busy studying, and Srujan had to go to Bangalore for some official work. So वो Bangalore जाके आ गया है. He had come back on Saturday. Sunday he went for a small he went to Sriman's house for lunch and all. I couldn't go, and I was busy with my training and all. So rest of the guys have actually, and probably tomorrow is when I'll go and meet everybody. It's been really long. I've been aloof from this planet. Srujan aane ke baad we will restart the vlog. We will talk a little more about what we're going to do today. But today is just coming back in terms with the community and back to earth. I was literally studying books for the last few days. So I'll see you maybe at about a couple of hours from now. I'll take bath. I've just come back home and freshen up, sleep for a little bit, and then talk to you again later. Bye.
What's popping, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. He's all blushing and happy, and I'm back from a small official क्या यार कितने बार official बोल रहा है. But yeah, I went to Bangalore. I'm back to Hyderabad. I didn't vlog anything on the way, and we realized that it's been really long that we shot any video. एक हफ्ता हो गया?
I think so. By the time you upload.
So this video is going to be very short, and it will be a rant video. We are facing, and it is regarding our internet service. But anyways, I'm going to congratulate him officially on the video. पहले मुझे ही कॉल करके बताया साले ने. And yeah, because of that हम लोग नहीं दो रोहित when was the last time you met the entire biking gang?
I don't remember.
एक महीना हो गया. एक महीना हो गया. मैं एक्चुअली संडे के दिन मिला था. तो आई वेंट टू श्रीमान एंड वी ऑल ऑफ अस वेंट टू अ स्मॉल बाइक राइड. संडे कल ही था ना? हाँ, वो नहीं आया था बिकॉज ही हैड अ सिम चेक एंड ऑल.
कहीं नहीं गया. I didn't meet anybody.
Yeah. Meanwhile, while I was in Bangalore, there was a couple of changes in my room as well. तो एक तो वो ग्लास ट्रेस आ गए. I got that white and blue office chair, and you have the world map, and thank you Sriman Kotaro Memes. वही दिया ना? Yeah. Sriman Kotaro Memes for this wonderful portrait.
And that table also changed a little bit.
Oh yeah, this table changed a little bit. I told the carpenter to change it. थोड़ा change हो गया and
पेंटिंग्स अभी लगवाना है.
paintings लगवाना है and थोड़ा cable management करना है and few stupid home decor shit here. Yeah, from past 1 year, no, from past 6 months, we've been facing a lot of connectivity issue. हफ्ते में 2 बार जाता था. And if you give a complaint, they used to take 24 hours to get it fixed, and we probably gave like a millions of complaints. So I don't know what happened, what shift happened in past 1 year, 6 months.
It was really good when it was Beam.
Achha.
But once it became at FiberNet, the service is pathetic. Customer service is they don't know what they need to talk. They don't know how to.
What the problem is?
The problem we've been facing internet connectivity from the 7th of September. And
Okay.
a simple thing, when I spoke to them, since the 7th of September, I told them, I need an escalation call to talk to one of the supervisors or the managers so that, at least they can understand what the problem is and get it resolved. 7th September से आज 28th of September है 9:30 p.m. I spoke to them today also in the morning after I came back. And we're still having this internet connectivity. As we speak now, we don't have any internet. And
We're going to use 4G to upload this video?
yeah.
Oh, freak.
And on the 7th, when I gave the complaint, they said 4 hours they'll give a call back. And I've called them every day from the 7th till the 20th. Every single damn day.
The manager didn't call you up.
Nobody called me up. And their customer care service, all they say is, sir, last time. Sir, last time. Sir, ek bar. Just once, sir. Please, sir.
So
I'll 100% do it.
So this video is completely to tell you guys that Act Beam FiberNet.
It's not Beam, it's Act FiberNet.
Okay, Act FiberNet customer service is very bad. Even if we get internet, the speeds which we get or the speeds which you subscribe to, we are not achieving that. And we have no idea how Airtel and Jio, those are the two
Other options.
upcoming
Possible
options. Even
things.
Vodafone Idea is coming up with a FiberNet, right?
I think so. Whatever, but I think we'll have to change.
We'll have to
because
change.
Beam service is pathetic. It is a loser service.
So we are being
and
very,
guys, if any of you are facing similar issue, please change it because
And-
they're not going to resolve it.
yeah, we are being very transparent here. We are facing a lot of problem, and we are telling you
Yeah.
that we are facing a lot of problem.
Because
So-
since the 7th, even today, I've spoken to the customer service for about 25-30 minutes asking them to resolve the problem. One day a technician came and the technician understood what the problem is. It is a problem with their junction box.
Their junction box.
Yeah, their junction box.
Okay.
And he said we need to change the junction box.
Did he?
He said he'll write an email. He wrote an email in front of me only.
Okay.
This was on the 13th or 14th of September.
Okay.
And he said, sir, within 1 week the junction box will come. Is what they'll say. 2 days it should come and I'll come and change it.
Did he come back?
No.
Did he lift your call?
He was a little.
Did he lift your call?
No. Nothing. He's not. I don't have his number. No, he's sent by the customer service or whatever. Sent by the ACT team.
Okay.
So nothing. As we speak now, no internet. 4G पे जिंदा है. Airtel 4G.
Yeah. So this is a quick wrap-up video where we're going to say that Beam FiberNet Act FiberNet customer service is very bad.
Don't
Don't
Go
if
for it.
if you're a new customer looking for a FiberNet network, please don't go Act.
Or if you're into other networks and Hathaway or whatever and want to come into Beam, or Act, that matters.
Please let us know how the customer service is in
How did you feel the customer service was?
in other companies as well, because I guess everyone has to know, dude.
Yeah.
Without internet, it's like you're living in a cave, you're living in old age or dark age.
The problem is now, because of this COVID, half the people are working from home. And if you don't have a stable internet connection, you can't do any work from home. And it is not practical to do everything on 4G, taking a hotspot or whatever.
And we live in an army area, dude. हमको 4G तो आता भी नहीं है.
Huh.
And we have to rely on on Wi-Fi to get perfect network service and get connected to the world. Dude,
And
the Scrambler 1100 launched, so let's go
know.
and check it out.
We can go tomorrow.
I'm busy tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Day after.
मैं जब फ्री हूँ तो बोलता हूँ.
हाँ, just give me-
तेरा अभी तक शेड्यूल नहीं आया ना,
नहीं.
फ्लाइट शेड्यूल. So you're pretty much free.
Yeah, the
So,
Scrambler 1100 launched in Hyderabad. They called me as well, so but unfortunately couldn't go.
both of us couldn't go. Anyways, the bike must be in the showroom, right? Let's
Yeah.
go. Let's ask them.
I don't know if it's there for test drive, but at least देखेंगे
I
जाके.
don't know. I like the 800. Someone gift me 800. I'd take my triple. That's about it for this video. Probably next video we will show you much more content and show more faces.
Yeah.
Show more faces.
I'm pretty sure.
And that vlog probably will be in some other location. एक ही जगह बेड के ऊपर बैठ के ऐसे गुस्सा नहीं करेंगे. Yeah.
Act Fibernet, you guys are pathetic.
Sucks.
That's all I can say.
And you know you already know the title of this video, right?
Yeah.
So anyways, let's catch up. Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye. Peace.
Love you.
We shot something and the file got corrupted, so we're redoing this again. Someone in the comment section told me to change the orientation of the door, but that was not possible. So हम लोग उल्टा कर दिए. So पहले door ऐसे खुलता था. I mean towards the TV. Now it's opening away from the TV. So I'm sorry, I forgot his name. That's actually a brilliant idea. Presence of mind, यार. हम थे यहाँ दिखा नहीं, and that person saw it in the video and he was like, dude, why don't you do this? Thank you so much. I'm so sorry I forgot your name. Yeah, thank you. And
Aki, Suju Panna. Suju Anna kaadu. Suju Baboy. By the way, Srujan is not Babai for Aggie. Srujan is Baboy. Bye. Good night.
bye.
Little brats.